Hello everyone. If you are given hundreds of data where you are asked to add up the rows and the columns at the same time, there are two methods where you can easily add up the rows and the columns. The first method called sum. You can use the sum formula to add up the rows and you can use the same sum formula to add up the columns. To start with the first method, to use the sum formula, all you have to do is insert equal sign, type in sum. The formula will appear on the Excel. Double click on the formula. Now the bracket will start. Now select the range of the data which you want to add up. So all you have to do is select the range. Now close the bracket and press enter. You will get the total number of the selected rows. Here you can see the total number is 109, and select this cell and drag it down and you will get the total number as shown here. Now for the same column side, all you have to do is insert equal sign, type in sum, select the formula, double click on the formula. Now select the range of the column, bracket close and press enter. Now all you have to do is select the cell and drag it to the right. You will get the total number for each of the column. For the second method, if you want to save your time, all you have to do is use the short keys to add up all the rows and the columns at the same time. All you have to do is select the rows and columns that you want to add up along with these cells that you have added up for the total number, and you need to press alt and equal sign at the same time and you will get the total number. After pressing alt plus equal sign, you will get the total number for the rows and for the columns at the same time automatically without using the sum formula.